According to the Ming Dynasty classic Ancient Wise Proverbs, a single flower does not herald spring. Only when all blossoms bloom does the garden fill with spring. Innumerable flowers working together drive away the winter and herald better times. The arrival of a single flower means nothing. In Africa, there's a similar saying, go fast, go alone, go far, go together. The solo traveler can focus single-mindedly on the road ahead and get ahead. But a herd truly is a force to be reckoned with. The existence of these two proverbs in two such faraway places is a reminder of the fact wherever we go, wherever we come from, the differences between peoples and civilizations are merely skin deep.